guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a unicorn centerpiece for my daughter's birthday. I will try to leave all the list of items that I use in this video in the description bar down below, so don't forget to check that out if you plan to recreate this. But what I'm using for a base are these terracotta pots. I bought them from Hobby Lobby. I did do a haul on them in my last video. I will try to link that one. And I tried spray painting them at first, but I didn't like how the contact with the spray paint was looking, so now you see me going back over it with some regular white craft paint. I just went on to Google and I searched unicorn lashes and I printed out the design that I liked. I printed out in 3 different sizes because I didn't really know which size I wanted to adjust to the pots. Now you can use these one of 2 ways. The way I choose to do it was to cut them out and use them as stencil to trace on the pot so I can paint them myself. But you can also just glue them straight onto the pot if that's the way that you want to go. It's an easier method to go. I choose to draw them on and paint them on because I do plan on reusing these pots after the party, and I didn't want anything glued to the surface, so I just wanted to be able to repaint the pot, which is why I just went with painting the eyebrows, or eyelashes I should say, on. Don't forget to paint the pot base as well because you want it to have a uniform feel, and honestly I almost forgot about them, so yeah, we gotta make it look like it's all one piece because these are going to act as lifts for the centerpiece. So with that same powder base, you're going to use that to trace a circle template. Now this is going to act as the topper that we put everything on top of the potted plant, because again I don't want to glue anything to my surface, so I'm just going to use this as like a secure topping. Okay, so next I'm going to take those tissue paper pom poms that I got from Dollar Tree and give yourself a little time because it does take a little minute to assemble these, and these are going to act as flower toppers for the centerpiece. And after this, basically I use my own template. I drew out my ears as a template on just regular white paper, and then I transfer it onto my cardstock and my glitter paper. You can print these out like how I did with the lashes, but honestly I just didn't want it to I wanted to save on time and save on paper, so I drew them out myself, but you can print them out and then use that as a template to transfer onto your cardstock. centerpiece, double-sided. I went ahead and cut out double the unicorn ears so that it could be seen from both sides. And I'm going to use the bamboo skewers to add in between each cardstock. This is also going to add stability to the ears so that it would stand up firm, but make sure that you leave the pointy side of the skewer face down, because that's going to be a sharp piece, or the sharp part, to puncture the top of the cardboard and stand up in the centerpiece. This gold paper on hand, but you could get this paper from Hobby Lobby or Walmart. And what I'm going to do, I drew a cone on it, and I'm going to cut that out and roll that up to be the unicorn horn for the centerpiece. Now it's time to assemble. So I'm going to start with hot gluing the tissue paper onto the cardboard and then assembling all of my pieces together. Perfect. As you can see, you're going to have to trim your skewers once you puncture them and get them positioned correctly in the cardboard, just so that they lay flat and perfectly in the base. This as is and it'll be a perfect centerpiece, but my daughter said she wanted her party to be really cute, so we decided to add a little more floral to the arrangement. I got these from Dollar Tree and I bought one of each bundle, so it was like $4, and I just thought that adding this gave it just a little bit extra. You can add this if you want to and get the same effect, but either way it still would be a nice, beautiful centerpiece. The gold accent that I added were left over after Christmas that I had, but you can use regular greenery additions to like regular greenery, or you can glitter that greenery and get the same effect. Perfect. because it's going to be seen from both sides. I did not add as much elaboration to the back as I did to the front, but you know what? One side is going to be seen more than the other. And that is it, you guys, a DIY unicorn centerpiece for a unicorn birthday party. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you did, like it, and come back for more to see how I displayed and how I designed my daughter's unicorn birthday party. I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.